Hey guys, we're back in the garage doing a little kind of post trail ride update. What I'm doing right now is I'm in the process of one of the things that I had gotten actually back in the holidays was it's a Samsung Galaxy Tab A. It's actually an older model. Costco had it for I think it was like 80 something dollars. And so I bought it for the express purpose of using it in the general. And so anyway, I had not previously purchased a mount. This is a RAM mount. I got this through Amazon. And I'm in the process of, I'm gonna mount it, you can see right here. And what I wanna do though is this, this container here pops out really, really easy. So what I've got is I've got the Super ATV flip up windshield, and it has a bracket. Get a light here. It has a bracket. You can see right here that connects up here to the mounts or to the retainers. It has a bracket there, goes down, and there is a crossbar right here. This bar right here goes all the way across behind the dash. So this stabilizes it. Well, what I've decided to do is I got just a piece of bar stock aluminum, and what I'm doing is I took that, just drilled a hole here, and it's got a little bit extra. Originally this was going to be flipped around, but what I've done is I just drilled a hole here. I've got a hole here, and then if you can see it, this hole right here corresponds to this one. So I've got to go to the hardware store, get a bolt that basically is going to go through one of the holes on the mount. I've got this actually turned around backwards. It's going to go on the mount here, and then I'm just going to use two simple screws with a washer on the back just to kind of stabilize it. Once this is bolted in, this is going to be really, really nice and stable. I mean, if I move this around, I actually move the vehicle around. So by the time this is bolted in, I think this will hold on really, really well. I'll probably cinch this down just a little bit, maybe put a washer in it. But once I do that, this is not really going to go anywhere. So that's one of the projects I've got going on right now, is to do that. Also, one of the other ones that I mentioned before was 5th point belts. Got those installed. These just because I'm using this to prevent the regular belts from riding up when you cinch down the shoulder straps, and I do recommend this, is this will actually just slide right over here when you latch it, and it'll just prevent this from riding up. And I just have this going, this is the bar that retains the seat. I'm not worried about bolting this in. This is really just it's not necessarily a safety measure as much as it is a comfort measure. So I got these off Amazon. These were $15 a piece. The mount, by the way, that was off Amazon. That actually was, I think, $53 the entire kit. And then one of the other things I just got today, I love my Costco. Costco had these on sale for $13. I got one of these, and I've got to get a mount for that to go in. I'm looking at some Velcro mounts. I might get one for the rail back here, or I could actually maybe rig something up with some hard points back here in the bed, or even just mount it inside the bed here, because you can easily access the bed through holes through here. So I might even do something like that. But that's just a quick update of what's going on right now. I'll have some other updates once I get everything mounted. And I've also got a little other side-by-side here. I'll post another video that goes into some more detail on that.